Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to look at this integral from negative square root of 3 over 2 to the positive square root of 3 over 2 of 2 times 1 minus the absolute value of x over the square root of 3 dx. So this is an MIT integration B question 2024 regular session. So let's solve this integral. Um, this x here in our integrand is not the regular x. This is the absolute value of x. So we may want to uh know the definition of this absolute value of x. This absolute value of x, this value here is actually equal to negative x for x less than equal to 0. This one is for x less than or equal to 0, and this absolute value of x is always equal to positive x if x is greater than or equal to 0. So this is the definition of this absolute value. So our limits will run from negative square root of 3 over 2 to positive square root of 3 over 2. So this integral really can be split into two different integrals. So this integral, negative square root of 3 over 2 to the positive square root of 3 over 2 of 2 times 1 minus the absolute value of x over square root of 3 dx. This one can really be split into two. That's the integral from the negative aspect. That is when x is less than 0. That is the negative values. Square root of 3 over 2 to 0 of 2 times 1 minus but the x absolute value of x here is going to be negative, so that's going to be 1 minus negative x like this over square root of 3, right, dx, plus the positive value. This absolute value term is equal to positive x if x is greater than 0. Our limits of integration will run from 0 to negative square root of 3 over 2. I'm sorry about that. This is square root of 3 over 2 of 2 times 1 minus this one here becomes positive x, so that becomes x over the square root of 3 like this times the x like this. So this is how our integral can be split into. So you have the integral from negative square root of 3 over 2 to 0 of 2. So the 2 is actually a constant, which is multiplying everything. So the 2 actually can go in front here. Then you have 1 plus, that's negative negative, x over square root of 3 dx, plus the integral from 0 to the square root of 3 over 2 of, there's 2 here. This is 1 minus x over the square root of 3 like this dx. Okay, cool. So this is 2, the integral. We can now integrate. So integration 1 is x in the x world, and this one is going to be plus x squared over 2 square root of 3 like this, and you are integrating that from negative square root of 3 over 2 to 0 plus 2. Integrating this one is x minus x squared all over 2 square root of 3, integrating that from 0 to the positive square root of 3 over 2 like that. So this one really evaluates to what? So if you plug in 0, everything becomes 0. So that's 0 minus, you plug in negative number there, that becomes negative square root of 3 over 2. And square root of 3 over 2 all squared is positive 3 over 4. So that is plus 3 over 4 times 2, that's 8 square root of 3 like this, plus 2 times, you plug in your upper limit is going to be square root of 3 over 2 minus, plug in that's going to be 3 over 8 square root of 3 like this, and the lower limit, you plug in 0, that becomes 0. All right, so this is 2. You cannot distribute 2 in, so this is 2 actually multiplied by these guys. That will be square root of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 8 square root of 3 plus 2 times the square root of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 8 square root of 3 like this. So this and this are the same, and they are summing, so that really is equal to 4. of square root of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 8 square root of 3, like this. And in the end, this reduces to what? This reduces to this one becomes 2 square root of 3 minus this, and that will cancel out, so that will be 3 over 2 square root of 3, like this. So you can simplify this one out, and when I simplify that out, that becomes 4 times 3, like this, minus 3 all over 2 square root of 3. So that becomes 9 over 2 square root of 3. Can rationalize, so that becomes 9 square root of 3 over 3 times 2, which is 6. So in the case we have 3 square root of 3 over 2, and that is the answer that MIT gave, 3 square root of 3 over 2. Therefore our integral, which is the integral from negative square root of 3 over 2 to the positive square root of 3 over 2 of this integrand, 2 times 1 minus the absolute value of x all over the square root of 3 dx. This one simplifies to 3 square root of 3 over 2. So this is the value of our beautiful MIT integration B question. So that's it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more engaging content like this. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.